Here's Mission Lane card app. So to install it, just tap get and then double click to install. And then yeah, you will be able to install this app on the iPhone. Thanks for choosing Mission Lane as a partner on your financial journey. Whatever your goals may be, we are here to champion your success. With the Mission Lane iPhone app, you can manage your credit card account anytime, anywhere. Check your account balance, pay your bill, view your activity, or keep tabs on your credit score, all at the tap of the screen. Enjoy easy access to our customer service. So yeah, you can also set up Touch ID or Face ID for seamless lock with enhanced security. So yeah, then you can just open up and there you have it. And then you just need to log in with your account. It's not possible to create an account in the app. You can only reset your password. So this is only just the app for the card. So to add a card, so you need to already have an account created on the website. So that's what it is.